Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about the use case in terms of working with your hybrid edition licensing model. Now, WebSphere offers different licensing model for your application. So remember that you have to choose which one suits the best for you. I'm just going to give you an overview of different licensing which you have towards WebSphere. WebSphere Liberty Server to give you the complete name of it. All right. So the first one is the hybrid licensing. Hybrid licensing talks about WebSphere Hybrid Edition is built across the concept of hybrid cloud, allowing you to deploy your application in a mixture of on-premises and cloud-based infrastructure. Hybrid licensing will enable you to pay, IBM based on the number of servers which you're using and in which environments, like is it on-premises and cloud-based service. In terms of flexible deployment licensing model, this is something which is basically IBM will have a look at the instances of multiple environments without having to purchase a separate license for each environment. This flexibility is especially useful for organizations looking to transform from on-premises to the cloud deployments or a mix of both. In terms of processor value unit licensing, it depends on the number of processor which your WebSphere is running on. So based on that, you'll be charged licensing on that. Another one is application server capability. So the licensing depends on the capability of your WebSphere Hybrid Edition, wherein which IBM will take a look at what are the facilities or features which you're using for your WebSphere, like high availability, clustering, scalability, and advanced security. So which features are you using in there? And basically, the licensing would be all about that. In terms of container support, WebSphere Hybrid Edition, it depends on the containers which you're running. So the licensing can also be dependent on that. So that's another model of licensing which has been offered for your Hybrid Edition. And subscription-based licensing is basically like IBM typically offers WebSphere Hybrid Edition on a subscription basis, which means that you have to pay annual fees to use to have the right to use the software if you're choosing the subscription-based licensing. So these are the different types of licensing. Just to summarize, it's subscription-based licensing, container support licensing, application server capability licensing, process value units licensing, flexible deployment, and hybrid licensing. So these are the different models of licensing which you have, in which you have to work with IBM to get the best licensing method and to get the proper licensing information for you in terms of using WebSphere Hybrid Edition. Thanks again for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.